Hello, Beaufort County, and welcome to the December 18th, 2024 news headlines. I'm Keighla Pope. In coordination with South Carolina Department of Transportation, Beaufort County has updated traffic counts and analysis for the traffic signal at the intersection of SC 170, Argent Road, Oldfield Way. Based on the updated analysis, a protected left turn phase is now warranted from SC 170 onto Argent Road. Signal improvements will be installed Wednesday, December 18th. Motorists traveling through the area are asked to please be mindful of the crews working within the area and to be cognizant of the updated traffic pattern. For any questions, please contact the Beaufort County Engineering Department at 843-255-2700. Michael Visokay, a consummate task manager known for handling everything from park maintenance projects to building upgrades, has been named the 2024 Scott Leggett Employee of the Year for the town of Hilton Head Island. Now given for the third time, the award was announced during the town's employee holiday luncheon on December 10th and honors the legacy of Scott Leggett, a long-time dedicated town employee who passed away unexpectedly in February of 2021. Leggett, the former chief town engineer and director of public projects and facilities, was known for his extraordinary work ethic and commitment to excellence. The town established the award in 2022 to memorialize his contributions and inspire others to follow in his footsteps. Mike, the town's facility maintenance program manager, was selected from a pool of 15 outstanding nominees representing various town departments. Since joining the town as a facilities technician in November 2007, Mike has consistently exhibited leadership, dedication, and technical expertise, earning him multiple promotions and expanded responsibilities. Beaufort County School District's Communications Department is actively exploring new options for a comprehensive communication platform. This initiative aims to replace the current communication system, Bright Arrow, and unify the tools used for classroom, athletic, and club communications. By centralizing communication efforts, Beaufort County School District seeks to enhance the user experience, ensure consistent branding, and streamline training processes for staff. These improvements will contribute to a more seamless and user-friendly experience for families across the district. We know that effective communication is the foundation of a strong school-community relationship, said Communications Officer Dr. Candace Bruder. We are committed to providing our families and staff with an ideal platform to make connecting with Beaufort County School District easier and more efficient. To ensure the new platform aligns with the needs of the district community, Beaufort County School District invites all stakeholders, which are parents, guardians, staff, students, and community members, to participate in a brief survey. Input collected will play a critical role in selecting a solution that meets the needs of families, staff, and students alike. The survey will remain open until Friday, December 20th. That is all that I have for you today. Make sure you check out the sources here on your screen. And I will see you next time, Beaufort County. Enjoy your holiday.